This content is for educational and informational purposes only. It does not constitute professional financial or investment advice. Please consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Are you new to investing and looking for a simple, low-risk way to get started? ETFs or exchange-traded funds might be exactly what you need. In this video, we'll explore what ETFs are, why they're great for beginners, and how you can use them to build a strong investment portfolio. Welcome to Clear Investing Guide, where we simplify investing, one step at a time. ETFs or exchange-traded funds are investment funds that trade on stock exchanges just like individual stocks. Each ETF is a collection of investments such as stocks, bonds, or commodities bundled together. This means that by buying a single ETF, you're investing in a diversified portfolio without needing to buy individual assets yourself. Think of it like owning a basket of fruits instead of just one apple. So why are ETFs so popular, especially for beginners? First, they're easy to buy and sell, just like individual stocks. Second, they're cost-effective, with lower fees compared to mutual funds. Third, they're diversified, reducing your risk by spreading your investments across different companies or sectors. For example, an S&P 500 ETF gives you exposure to 500 of the largest companies in the US with just one purchase. Let's look at some popular ETFs that beginners often start with. First, the S&P 500 ETF, like SPY or VOO, which tracks the top 500 companies in the US. Then, there's a total market ETF like VTI, which gives you exposure to the entire stock market. You also have bond ETFs for safer fixed-income investments. And of course, sector-specific ETFs, like technology or healthcare, for targeted investing. These ETFs make it easy to start investing in broad markets or specific areas of interest. Ready to start investing in ETFs? Here's how. First, open an account with a brokerage platform like Interactive Brokers, Robinhood, or E*Trade. Next, search for the ETF you're interested in using its ticker symbol, like SPY or VTI. Then decide how much you want to invest and place your order just like you would with a stock. ETFs are simple, beginner-friendly, and a fantastic way to grow your portfolio. This content is for educational and informational purposes only. It does not constitute professional financial or investment advice. Please consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions.